Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into investing in 2025, linking your Robinhood account to your bank is a game changer for seamless transfers and managing your finances. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get set up quickly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Robinhood app installed on your phone. Head to your app store, search for Robinhood, and download it if you haven't already. Once that's done, open the app and either create a new account or log in to your existing one. Remember, in 2025, Robinhood has enhanced security features, so you'll need to verify your identity with a quick email or phone confirmation. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon in the top corner. Look for the Banking or Linked Accounts section. It's designed to be super user-friendly. Tap on that, and you'll see an option to link a bank account. Go ahead and select it. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your bank from a list of supported institutions. Robinhood partners with major banks, so yours is likely there. Select your bank, and then securely enter your login credentials. Don't worry, Robinhood uses encryption to keep your info safe. After that, the app might ask you to verify the link through a small test deposit or by answering security questions from your bank. Once verified, your accounts will be linked. To make sure everything's working, try initiating a small transfer, like depositing $1, and watch it go through smoothly. In 2025, you might notice faster processing times thanks to new tech updates. A few quick tips. Always enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Double-check that you're on a secure Wi-Fi network, and if you run into any issues, Robinhood's in-app chat support is top-notch. There you have it. Linking your Robinhood account is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.